Did you know that in the United States, 25% of adults have a disability? That figure jumps to 40% for people 65 and older. Did you also know that most businesses are obliged to make their website accessible to people with disabilities? It's true, and if you don't, then you might be opening yourself up for lawsuits. In fact, records show that there were over 2,500 web accessibility lawsuits in just 1 year alone, and that number continues to grow every day. The lawsuits claim that people with disabilities couldn't use the sites because the sites didn't have assistive technologies. The cases were tied to the Americans with Disabilities Act, which became law in 1990. The act regulates that physical locations need to provide easy access to people with disabilities. In 2016, the ADA started to include websites. An ADA-compliant website lets people using assistive technology experience online products and services. Should you get your website audited? The answer is yes, especially if you're a private employer with 15 or more employees, or you're a business that benefits the public. An audit will ensure that the website meets the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, otherwise known as WCAG. The good news is that getting an audit is actually pretty easy. My friends at Accessibility have an easy-to-use tool that helps you find out if your website is WCAG compliant. The audit tests every web page with the same technology people with disabilities use. If you'd like to get your free audit, visit ace.accessibility.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Just type in your URL and you'll find out if you're compliant almost instantly. That's ace.accessibility.com. I hope you found this video helpful to you. My name is Jamie Turner, and I'll catch you next time.